Welcome back. Let us continue. The ratio of areas of a square of side 6 cm and an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm is, so ratio of square area and ratio of equilateral triangle area is equal to, area of square is 6 square and area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, which is 6 square. 6 square by root 3 by 4, 6 square. This will get cancelled. The ratio is 4 by root 3 or 4 is to root 3. The answer is D. Next, the area of a triangle whose sides are lengths 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Here we have to use the formula square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is the semi-parameter, that is half of a plus b plus c. So this is equal to half of a plus b plus c is 12, which is equal to 6. So we can find out the area, which is equal to square root of 6 into s minus a is 3, s minus b is 2 and s minus c is 1. This is 6 square. So the area is 6 centimeter square. You can also see this combination of 3, 4, 5 usually comes for the right angle triangle, where one side will be 4 cm, other side will be 3 cm and the hypotenuse will be 5 cm. We can also calculate the area based on, because here the square of 5 is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. This is 9 plus 16. This is 25. So it is a right angle triangle. You can easily calculate the area based on half into base into height, that is half into 3 into 4, which is equal to 6. This way also you can quickly solve the problem. The answer is B, 6 cm. Next question. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is equal to 14 cm and the lateral side is to the base in the ratio of 5:4. The area of the triangle is, we shall draw an isosceles triangle. The lateral side to the base is the ratio of 5:4. So if this is 5x, this base will be 4x. Since this is an isosceles triangle, the other side is also having the length 5x. So the total length is 5x plus 4x. This is the perimeter, which is equal to 14 cm. So this is nothing but 14x is equal to 14, x is equal to 1. So the lengths are 5, 5, 4. So the semi-perimeter is half of all the sum of these three sides, which is 14, which is equal to 7. So area is equal to square root of s into s minus a. We will not write the formula again. We will directly write the values. 7 into 7 minus 5 is 2. Another 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. So which is equal to 7 3s are 21. 2 we can take it out. 21. So the answer is 2 square root of 21 centimeter square. That is D. Okay. We shall check the next problem. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. If the perimeter is 52 centimeter, the length of the smallest side is. Okay. So if the ratios are given like this, 1 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4, then we have to multiply this ratio by the common factor of all the denominators. The common factor is 12 here. So we can multiply as 12 by 2 into 12 by 3 into 12 by 4, which is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. So the lengths are in the ratio of 6x, 4x, 3x. So the perimeter is 52 cm. It means 6x plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 52 cm. This is equal to 13x and x will be equal to 4. They are asking the length of the smallest side. So among this, the length of the smallest side is 3x. So length is equal to 3x, which is equal to 12. The answer is D, 12 cm. Next question. The sides of a triangle are consecutive integers. The perimeter of the triangle is 120 cm. Find the length of the greater side. This is quite simple. Let us take the lengths as x, x plus 1, x plus 2 for the sides of the triangle. The perimeter is 120 cm. So we shall add these three sides and then equate to 120 cm. This is 3x plus 3 is equal to, adding these 3 is equal to 120 cm. We can divide by 3 in common. X plus 1 is equal to 40. So x is equal to 39. They are asking the length of the greatest side, which is x plus 2. That is equal to 41. So the answer is C, 41. Okay, we shall finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.